This banana bread is delicious because I made it with some lemon zest in it. So it tastes kind of lemony, and yet it has a taste of more bananas. Ah, love it, love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So I just spray them on top. As you see. So you'll see how I make it in a second. Excited, excited. So I'm going to show all the ingredients I'm gonna use. The main ingredient right here, bananas. When you have bananas, don't throw them away. Try this recipe. So I have 3 ripe bananas here. I have 3 cups of flour, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of orange grind, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of crushed pecans, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 block of butter or 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, and I have some baking powder. I'm gonna use a teaspoon of that, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and I have a 1/4 cup of milk. So I hope I mentioned everything I'm going to use. So first, I am going to start by peeling the bananas. You see how ripe it is? The more riper it is, the more sugary it is. So I have 1/4 cup of sugar here, just because people I live with love sugar. If you don't want to use too much sugar, please do not put sugar in it. You can do without sugar. Of bananas, taste of some lemon. Good stuff. I'm going to start first by peeling the bananas and putting them straight into the blender. I'm gonna blend most of the stuff. So in here, I'm going to blend bananas, sugar, and butter. So now we finished blending it. It's easy to blend it and do any other stuff, you know. So this is it here. And now I'm gonna start mixing everything together. So I broken these are the 2 eggs. You just kind of stir them to incorporate some air. What I learned, I don't know about that. So now I'm going to pour the mixture in here. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So I put the mixture here. I am gonna put the oil, and after I add the oil, I'm gonna add the milk. I'm gonna add the egg. Oh my God! Why? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Then I'm gonna do the flour a bit at a time. Do the flour. And while doing this, also you can also add the pecans while doing this. Doesn't matter when you add them. You can add them from the beginning. That's how I do it. That's how I do it, baby. Not hard at all. I love that blender. You can use it for different things. I really, really, really do. Anyway, I've always thought you add baking powder last because you don't want to attack it or something. I don't know. That's what I was taught when I was a young girl doing some bread, saying, okay, all right, so I'm gonna have 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, you know. So it looks like, you know, we're almost done. Add this last grind. Okay, baby. You know, so this mixture is good enough to go ready to bake it. You see the texture? I'm ready to put it in the oven. I have the parchment paper here. I'm gonna try and fit it in this little baking sheet. Okay. I'm just gonna line the bottom up. Okay, now I am ready to pour it in here. Okay, now I'm ready to put it in the oven. See how it looks? Goodies. Okay, I just brought it out of the oven and I'm gonna cut it and show you how it looks like. Okay? Okay, now I'm ready to show you how it looks. It cooled down a bit. So I am going to do this. See how good it came out? Whoa. Good stuff. Good stuff. Brown a little more, but it's okay.